Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little bit, we took some time off for the holidays, but we are back and we're at Magic Kingdom to check out some of the Tron construction. It's been a little bit since our last update, so I'm excited to check out everything new and see what is going on in the parks. It shouldn't be too busy, but it kind of looks like it is, so we'll see how it is.
We're actually going to do your survey, I'm sure.
So they're still hard at work on the supports for the People Mover. They're taking off all the theming and a lot of them are still covered up by scrim, but we can see that a lot of them have already been done. So you can see like that's what the old theming looked like. This is like a halfway stage of what it will look like. And then just further on, you'll be able to see some finished ones. I'll show you those in a second. All right, and here's what the finished pillars look like. It's a lot more familiar to the original People Mover look. Yeah, the retro look's gonna look really good as soon as it's all finished.
Here to enjoy today while visiting this land of Tron. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people fun. That speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive the fast lane without worrying about hitting a speeding ticket.
Again, here's another example of what the final pillar will look like. So it's cool that they're getting a lot of the construction done. It looks like almost half of it's done already. Out by the exit of Space Mountain, they have a little area where you can test out the seats for Tron. It's really cool to see how excited people are for this ride. It's going to be really good once it opens. Now on the other side of the park for Splash Mountain, you can see it's closed for a special refurbishment. Yeah, they do this, I believe, every year just to keep it maintained in the winter season when it's too cold to ride it anyways. But it's actually kind of hot, so I don't know, not so great timing, I guess. But, you know, so Splash Mountain will be down for just a little bit. So it's like the end of January, it's supposed to be the down season, and like I said at the beginning of the vlog, like I kind of expected it to be a little bit more quiet today. Like, I guess Magic Kingdom's never like actually quiet, but you know, in comparison to how it normally is, I expected it to be just a little bit more quiet, and it's not. It is ridiculous today. Like 70 to 100 minutes every ride, everything. It's a small world. You said it was, what, 55? 50. Or, yeah, ridiculous. Haunted Mansion right now is 65, but it was up to 70 a few minutes ago. Just, oh my gosh. So I guess it's an average day for Magic Kingdom, but, like, this is a park that you can't really just show up to if it's going to be busy like this. You have to have fast passes. You have to have planned your day. And I just kind of showed up expecting it to be a little bit more quiet because it is the down season, but this is obviously not quiet. So I've been here for like, what, 3 or 4 hours, and the only thing we've done is people moving. But I guess we could do the Liberty Bell or something eventually. But that's kind of like what we're stuck with for now. So people mover it is. We're headed there again.
Visiting this land of Tron. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for boys to cheer and ride in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about hitting a speed limit.
So one thing to note about the train, since it's currently down, and it's been down for quite a while, because they're doing construction on the railroad track over by the Tron construction, it's been down for quite a bit. But you can see over when you pass by on the monorail that they're actually really close to finishing the track. They're only maybe about 30 yards or so away from actually completing it. So that's really exciting. I can't wait for this train to be back up and running. It's going to be really cool. So I know it's been kind of a short video, but I just wanted to come out here and do a quick update on what's going on at the parks. You know, Tron has gotten a lot of work done, and they're finally putting up the wall of the outside building. So as soon as that goes up, I'm assuming that they're going to be doing a ton of work on the theming on the inside of the building, which of course we won't be able to film because it'll be inside. So, but anyways, the work that they've been doing has progressed really fast, and I'm actually surprised it's been going up this fast considering it still doesn't open until next year, which is crazy. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that, but you know, there's other things going on in the park as well, like Splash Mountain is under refurbishment, and they're doing a lot of work on the People Mover aesthetics with the pillars and stuff, and it's starting to look really good. But of course, there is still a lot of scrim up right now, but hopefully all of that will be coming down very soon, because it looks like on the inside of that, they are very, very, very close to having all that done. But anyways, I know it was a shorter video, but I just kind of wanted to come out here and give a quick update. The park has been super busy, so we're now going to head over to Epcot and check out Festival of Arts. So I'll shoot a short video over there as well, and stay tuned to check that out. But anyways, until that next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys following along and checking out just what we're doing. If you like what we're doing, though, don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and go ahead and comment. Leave your feedback. What do you think about all the changes coming to the parks? I would just love for your feedback and your interaction. It really helps this channel grow, get better, but also get out there for more people to enjoy what we're doing over here. But without further ado, thank you so much for joining. My name's Jonathan Holt, and I will see you in that next video. Peace.